So my name is Nivambaria. I'm from Kenya. It's quite a story for me, whereby the reason for coming to Apollo Hospital is because I had been sick for more than a year. The various hospitals I had gone to, nobody was able to diagnose my illness. The reason I selected India compared to all the other places is because my sister also went to Apollo Hospital, but in Hyderabad. And the reason of me also selecting Apollo Hospital is because she got good treatment in Apollo hospitals. That was in 2018. My reason for coming to Hyderabad was because of the neuroscience and for me going through, and I was told they're excellent neurologists here. And that is the reason I selected Hyderabad. I have been here in Hyderabad since 6th of August. That is the length of period I have been here. In terms of coming here, my experience was not very good at the beginning. And I felt like I was being rushed. And by the front desk is the international service desk. But when I saw my cardiologist, he sat with me for quite some time, listened to what I was going through, and said, you know, the best neurologist for you to see is Dr. Madhuri. She's one patient doctor, and she's somebody who will truly listen to what you're going through, and she'll be able to diagnose this for you. So my advice is you go and see her. So when I went to see Dr. Madhuri, hope I'm pronouncing her name well, she told me, the first thing she told me is that we need to work together on this. And I will need quite some time, so that I don't want to give you a diagnosis which is not right. And I want you to go back feeling as strong as ever. So when I started seeing her, we did quite a number of tests, and she would visit me all the time. She was one doctor I have no words for. She's a neurologist out of this world. If anybody got an illness like mine, whereby you get, is it blackouts or seizures, and you can't remember for the 3 minutes, she is one person who would tell me, just be patient. We will find the reason why you get them. And there's even a time I got them and I came to sit, and she told me, just sit here with me, and told me, be patient. Somehow we will find out what's wrong with you. Don't worry. And there was the percentage we used. She used to tell me we've gotten up to 55%. Now we have gotten to 75%. And she told me, we will get there. In terms of Apollo Hospital, for me, one of the things, I won't lie, some machines I have never seen. You look at the MRI was being done. The MRI physicians were awesome. And that is one thing I loved about this hospital. And when Dr. Madhuri came and realized what my diagnoses were, she was like, we've gotten it. We've gotten it, Niva. And one of the things I was grateful for her, she told me, now we've gotten it. Now we need to work with a neurosurgeon on this. So when she introduced me to Dr. Rahul, I was very excited. And she told me, you know what, Dr. Rahul will be able to work with us on this. But you also have to be patient with it, because it will take time. It's not an easy surgery for you to go through, but we will make it through. Dr. Rahul was very interesting because one of the few doctors who understand Kiswahili, which is a national language in my country. So he would come greet me in my language, which is habari yako. So having doctors like that come to talk to you every morning, even with the pain I went through, is something Apollo Hospital I will give 100%. And if anybody asks me, when you go to India, which hospital would you like to go? I'll say, go to Apollo Hospital. Because one of the things I would say is the doctors listen to you. And that is one thing I will give. But one of the things Dr. Madhuri told me, every illness is different. And that's why we have to pay attention. And she told me, be patient with this and we will get. So after my surgery, which took a while, and we're in 2026, and I'm feeling 10 times better than I felt before. And I did go through quite a number of surgeries. I know I still have to go through more treatments, and I know there's one more surgery which we hope I don't need to go through. But with her honesty and her patience with me, is one thing I think all doctors need to have. She's a doctor in Apollo Hospital. I'll grade her very high. And if anybody is to be referred to a neurologist, that is one neurologist I would say people to come and see. She has the patience of 1 million people. She has the humbleness and the integrity and the passion for her work. And for me, I would like to say thank you to her. And I say thank you to Apollo Hospital, because some of the facilities you have are awesome. And that is one thing I would tell anybody, come to Apollo Hospital. And if anybody has any neuro issues, come and see Dr. Madhuri. That is one doctor I put up there. And for this, I say thank you very much to Apollo Hospital.
Hi, I'm Dr. Madhuri Kilari, consultant neurologist and epileptologist at Apollo Hospitals, Jubilee Hills. With me is one of my favorite patients, Nivar. Nivar came to me in September 2025 with unexplained blackouts, and she came all the way from Kenya. And she was trying to find a solution for the blackouts. She visited several doctors, she visited several consultants in neurology, neurosurgery, but we finally saw her when she did not get answers to her blackouts. So with great deal of patience, Nivar undertook the tests again, because her MRIs were repeatedly reported as normal. But after a great deal of detailed assessment, we had to do a video EEG, a detailed epilepsy protocol MRI, and again a great deal of clinical history taking, which finally gave us answers to her blackouts. And Nivar had to undergo a couple of surgeries to feel better. And she still has a bit of treatment left, but she is doing remarkably well. Last several months, she's not had blackouts, and you see her here really happy.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.